Spring is the time to give your home a little bit of a refresh.
And here to help us out with it, kicking off this season with 4 great projects, we've got our friend, 20-year home improvement and lifestyle expert, Kathryn Emery. Kathryn, it is so good to see you. Happy spring.
Yay.
Let's start.
Suzanne and Taylor, happy spring.
Yes, same to you.
Right.
I'm seeing a whole thing there that you've got. It looks like a lot of great products, but do you have an easy kind of DIY way that we can bring those dull surfaces back to life? Yes. Give them a little
of course, easy. You ladies know me. We got to make it easy. So I want you to paint everything inside and out of your house that needs a refresh, but the walls with Beyond Paint. So this is a water-based project paint. It's easy to apply, no stripping, sanding, or priming required. It's formulated to bond in nearly any surfaces you can see here: cabinets, furniture, countertops, vanities. Since it's an all-in-one bonder, primer, and sealer, it cures to any durable, washable surface. Just think about it, ladies. You know there's a project around your house that needs to get done, and you can save thousands of dollars by doing it yourself. Beyond Paint and I want to inspire you, so go to beyondpaint.com, put in the code BESTHOME23, so you can even get a little guy here, medium, different sizes. You know, what are you thinking of? You're doing something, inside or out. Isn't that such a great way to just give something a refresh and zhuzh around your house?
A simple way to really change up a room.
A coat of paint can do a total transformation.
Yes.
100%. And anything but the walls.
Yeah, I love it. Okay, this next one that I'm going to ask you about, this is what's on my mind right now. How can we create the ultimate backyard oasis?
All right, we all deserve to be sitting on that luxurious deck in our backyard, and guess what you're going to build it with? Trex Transcend Lineage Composite Decking, because this is Trex's coolest decking yet, literally. So these boards you see, they're engineered with heat mitigating technology in the shell to reflect the sun and keep those boards cool. Look at those gorgeous colors, 4 fabulous on-trend colors. And that subtle and elegant wood-like grain look is amazing. However, unlike real wood, it won't warp, crack, splinter, rot, never needs to be sanded, stained, or painted, low maintenance, just soap and water. What you see here, Trex decking boards are made from 95% reclaimed and recycled content. Isn't that amazing? So it looks gorgeous, and you can feel good about buying a truly innovative product. Isn't that amazing?
I do like that idea.
All right, Kathryn, help us to do a little deep clean. What do you have?
Nobody wants to clean, but when you clean, you better be cleaning with microfiber, because guess what? Those paper towels and cotton cloths are just pushing the germs around. Microfiber acts like a magnet to trap and remove dust, bacteria, and allergens. Go to Home Depot, grab a bag of these quickie microfiber cloths, and you are off to the races. You're using them everywhere. I use them every day in my kitchen, stainless steel, marble countertops, in the bathroom. They work wonders on glass, dusting wood, in the car. Since they are non-scratch, you can use them anywhere. They're great for spills, highly absorbent and quick drying. Lint, since they're naturally lint-free, they make for great cleaning with or without solvents. And guess what? When you're done with them, throw them in the wash. You can use them over and over again. Super easy.
Yeah, that's great too. Okay, here's one I know Taylor and I laugh about. We're not great with plants. We sometimes forget to water them.
Yeah.
So help us out here. How do we keep our plants alive?
Same. Help me help you. I'm helping myself with this product too. So let's think about our trees and our plants outside. Let's water them more efficiently. Instead of on the surface, let's water them directly at the roots. This is the Root Quencher, brand new. You can also find this amazing product at the Home Depot. What it's going to do, number one, it's going to save 50% on your irrigation bill versus sprinkler-based watering. It integrates with your existing irrigation, can be standalone. It's fully adjustable, 9 to 22 inches to match root depth and soil conditions. Right there, once you put it under the canopy of that tree or plant, there are directional plugs so you can control where the water goes. The little flow valve on top controls the water flow. Look at here. You're watering and you're feeding at the roots Look at the before and after. Your trees are going to live longer. Isn't that amazing? It's a made in the USA, high quality recycled materials. They've got little guys here for like rose bushes and stuff. This is the junior. But isn't that so smart? Why not be smarter and get it directly to the root? Genius, right?
That is.
Oh, Kathryn, you have got us covered, everything from inside the house to outside, everything that you've mentioned here today. Where can people find them?
Everybody should go to BeTheBestHome.com.
We love it. Kathryn,
always a pleasure.
Thanks for helping us all get ready for
spring. So good to see you.
You ladies are the best. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.
Sounds good.
After the break, it is Bookmark Monday.